Congratulations to all from the Review A to Z YouTube channel. I hope everyone well and healthy today. I am going to show you 4 rice cooker trains which are very popular and used by people nowadays, and also have a lot of acceptance from people of all ages at the same time. Its price is very affordable compared to other companies. So, I will describe everything in this video. Mini rice cooker automatic household kitchen electric cooking machine 1 to 2 people food warmer steamer 1.2L small rice cooker. Smart models have reservation function. Mechanical models have no reservation function. Specification. Product name: mini rice cooker. Rated voltage: 220 volts. Rated frequency: 50 Hz. Rated capacity: 1.2L. Rated power: 200 W. Product size: 180*200 180 mm. About taxes. 1. The product price does not include taxes. Taxes are collected by the customs of your country. Since the import taxes in each country are different, you need to pay the taxes yourself.